Hello and welcome to a video presentation for Atal Marathon 2023. I am Priyadarshini of grade 10.
I am Jackson Godlin of grade 10, studying in Aditya Vidyashram Residential School, Pondicherry.
Today we are here to represent a project titled Irrigating Robot.
As we all know, water is a precious resource and the agriculture sector is one of the biggest consumer of water. Our project aims to address this issue by developing an irrigation robot that can irrigate the crop with minimum water usage.
Irrigation system requires large piping setups along with many sprinklers in order to achieve proper irrigation. Generally, plant irrigation system has many problems associated with it. Our proposed system helps to overcome these irrigation problems.
Now let us see the components we have used in this project.
This robot is powered by Arduino UNO, which acts as the brain of the system. Then it also consists of Bluetooth module, which helps us to control the robot's movement using our Android mobile, and L29 3D motor driver, which is connected to 4 DC motors and further to wheel, provides the movement of wheel. And we have a water tank, which is further connected to the water pump, and at last to the fogger. This fogger sprays the water. See the working model of a project.
When we click the front direction, it will move forward. And when we click the back direction, it will move backward. And when we click the left direction, it will move leftward. And if we click the right direction, it will move rightward. This project moves in all directions with the help of this application.
Now let's see the working of a fogger. When we press on the switch button, our motor starts to work. This motor sucks the water from the tank, and this makes the water to move through the pipe and at last reaches the fogger. This fogger has 4 opening points, which helps us to pour the water in 360 direction and evenly to the plant crops. This ensures the agriculture productivity.
We believe that this project has the potential to contribute to the development of the country. And we are very thankful to our teachers who encourages us throughout this project. And we are very grateful to our school who gave us all the resources to pursue our project. Thank you.
Thank you.